Yeah. Merry fucking Christmas, man. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Today here, we with the boy Bandino, Loreno, and Bands. Got that money. No, but we here. We about to go to a Christmas car event. It's about to be a movie. I miss y'all. It's been a while since I've recorded. I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna come back with a bang 2024. Love y'all niggas. I'ma see y'all when we get there. Apologize for the music and lighting, but we're here. Yo, that's Venom? Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Y'all see my son? Alright, we out to the inside. Alright, we inside. Nice place. This shit right here is crazy. Like, that's just crazy. Fully slammed, pulled fenders. Now it's mad work done. Oh, custom blue interior. That's tough. The blue interior is tough. I like that. That's a touch. Now, how he see anything with that shit on his mirror is crazy. Every time the lane changes, he's praying. This is a clean ass Z. Nice and clean. Sheesh. Old school Chevy. Nah, these pickup trucks is tough. Wait, you fucking with it? Jacking it?
Very old bad boy right there.
You not jacking it? You not jacking it? Nah, I fuck with it. OD, I'm jacking it. I'm jacking it. We whipping that bitch. Nah, these fucking... Yo, what the fuck? Can y'all see that? That is tough. All I seen was a big ass intake. God damn. LSX. That's that American power, boy. Real American power, boy. Oh, big taxi. I wonder if that was him or somebody random. Nice calm V80. This looks stock though. It looks like barely anything done. GTR. That's clean. It's crazy. Spec G37. That's clean. That is tough. It even has the headlights that in-game one. Another clean, simple G80. They just work, bro. You gotta do nothing to them. Oh, what the fuck? Yo. What the fuck? That's tough. Nah, that is sick. That's sick. Yo. Appreciate y'all. Suitcase bites? Yeah, this one's for the 90s, this is one. She just told me those are suitcase bites. That's tough. Like imagine that shit really fitting in a suit. What happened? You fucking with it? Which one? Right? They did it right. They did it right. That's tough. The Toys for Tots. I feel like this is like iconic, bro. Every time growing up, Christmas time, you randomly just see Toys for Tots popping up on mad cars. This is tough. The reindeer. Oh, he even got sand on the gas cap. Nah, the details is crazy. Another M. Christmas gone wrong. Christmas gone wrong. Yo. Oh, what the fuck? One of Santa's helpers got stuck, yo. Low run. So. And then they got the quiet. Film to Mexico. That's tough. Oh, what the fuck is this? Yo, did somebody take like a track? Yo, did they boost this thing, bro? I'm kind of curious. Like, is there a turbo somewhere in this thing? Nah, I don't think there's no turbo. Yeah, nah, I was right, no turbo. That's tough though. This shit probably move crazy. Probably get on this thing and shit, give me a run for the money with the car. I don't really like STIs, but I fuck with it. That's clean. Nice old gifts in the front, that's tough, that's cool. A Merry Christmas. That's tough. That is tough. I don't know. Yo, this shit reminds me straight out of GTA Mint Green, bro. Remember you having to join crews on GTA for like Mint Green? That shit is tough. I gotta get better at flipping this camera, I'm not gonna lie. I'm working on it. Nah, this is tough. I found Pikachu. Good. The Pikachu Stang. The Pikachang. The Pikastang. That's Forrest Gardner? Oh, that's Forrest Gardner. Yeah, that's tough. Yup. That's tough. I'm jacking it. It's clean. I'm not gonna lie, your boy freezing fucking cold. I'm tired of shit. Yo, what the fuck? Your boy's exhausted. We about to get out of here. Grab some fucking food. And
Are you good?
fucking cold today, Chris. It's fucking brick dick. But I love, oh yeah, motherfuckers, I appreciate every single one of y'all that be tuning in still, week after week. Even when your boy goes missing and shit, I love y'all, I appreciate all of y'all. I'm out of here. Fuck! Your boy's out of here. My sock is wet. My fucking shoe socks, fucking piece of shit, bad idea. But I'm out of here. Love y'all motherfuckers. Y'all stay safe. Y'all take care of yourselves.